Oh, hi. Hi. I didn't see you there. Me and my $12 wig are going to make an appearance soon, just so you know. Just so you know. So, you know, be on the lookout, okay? Can you even see where, hi y'all. Oh my God, so many of them. Why is it so many of them?
That's more than 100.
Oh, it's 100. It's still tons of them back there.
Oh, I didn't see them.
Look, I want to go, keep on going towards the house, and I'm going a long way home. Because I can't believe how many it is. Oh, it's, look at him doing wheelies. Get him, boo. Look at him. Lord, bless him safely. Oh, Lord, please. Let them be safe, Lord. Oh my God. It's so many. Look, the window down. It's so many. There go another one. Here he comes, boo. Look at him. Look at him all the way down there. It is so freaking. What is wrong with that? Hi, y'all. Why do you keep going?
I really, truly appreciate the love. Because this is love. This is unconditional love. You know what I'm saying? You need that bond. For all my male figures out here, man. Y'all need to have that bond with y'all kids, dog.
Yes, sir.
About that bond, you won't understand what unconditional love is. I'm telling you that, and I mean that with everything I love, man. You know, so, boy, my stanky lady. For y'all that don't know who stanky lady is, there you go. So again, I'm let you say what you say when I say peace.
When I say peace,
Y'all say Glock. Wait. We all on CC. One chance. That's what I know. I don't know that P Glock crap.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I want to say something too.
Okay. Go ahead. I'm sorry, Mama.
We love you. It makes it so much
Big
better.
facts, big facts.
My baby, I did not have a clue how loved she was. She was the life of the party, but she loved everybody and everything. And you didn't have to ask her twice to show it. And the more y'all come, the more y'all gather, the more I feel
Love.
All love.
Hey, I got one thing to say too.
The best compliment I got when this whole thing is that my baby carried my energy. I know she carried my personality. She a nut. She ain't got no sense, but hey, look around.
Good, you know what they are.
You got a grill? Hey, Dustin.
Morning to the
It's bringing me back. It's bringing me back.
Oh! That's Brian.
Because I need Kelly to give me a verse.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Why is he so beautiful? And I look like this, like a troll.
They still got it. They still got it. Hold on. They still got it.
V5 posted my video. I can't believe it. Oh my God. Sierra, go check it out on their page. I'm on their page. They reposted my video. Oh my God. It's a beautiful Saturday. Because I don't care if it's gloomy. Oh my God, they reposted me. They reposted me because of my video. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. B5 like my video. Why are you taking I tried to sneak. I tried to sneak it. I was saying that lady couldn't find her kid, and I started walking the parking lot because when we was trying to walk through, she was like, where's Connor? Where's Connor? But she had another baby with her, like a infant, and she kept on dropping her balloon, so I'm trying not to step over. So I'm like, who baby is this? I said, who kid is this? Just in the middle of the way, in the middle of the doorway. And she was rushing past the lady. I'm like, what is going on? And then the manager came out, was like, ma'am, do you need help or something? Like, what's wrong? She was like, my baby, I can't find Connor. I said, what do he look like? He's like, oh, he has blonde hair just like her. I said, what is he wearing? He's like, oh, gray sweatpants. So we walk in the parking lot screaming for him. He next to the dad, and the dad got on headphones, but he close to like where you just came out of.
Yeah, I passed the dad with the headphones.
That's him. And I'm like, this kid don't hear his name being called? His mama yelling for him? Like, we straight walking the parking lot. I'm looking in the bushes because he only like, probably like 4. It's too cold to be losing your kids.
I mean, especially when I was walking out, there was so many kids walking in there, and I'm like, what? Every kid get to their parent.
Like, they just be having them just do whatever, and they, well, you like sit down on the bench. He walked out. She said, I can't find him. I can't find him. I can't find him. So she's screaming, she panicking, she about to cry. And so I'm like, this kid probably walked into the highway somewhere. So now I'm looking towards the street. Then I'm walking towards the highway, and like off the parking lot, I'm like, is this him right here? Standing next to this man? And the man can't see you with this lime green shirt on?
Because the daddy was on the phone.
How distracted? Is he talking to his mistress? Who is he talking to?
He was talking real low, and I'm like, why you walking around here talking with them earbuds in like that? I just passed him on my way out.
And the kid is like, the kid right there, but you can't hear your mama calling you. I'm like, Connor, like I'm screaming, like, y'all didn't hear nobody? You didn't see us rushing in and out the door of the facility, of the restaurant?
Lord.
It's too cold to lose your kids, like, for real.
Daddy, can you help out?
Like,
Lord.
that was the dad. That's what I'm saying. That was the dad that was with them, with the kid.
But he should have been able to hear.
He had both his headphones in, but I'm just saying, like, we yelling, and we only a few feet away. How didn't you hear that?
He probably just being stubborn, don't want to answer her, because he probably don't pay her no freaking attention no other day, and he didn't feel like other day. That's why.
And I'm talking about like him, the dad tripping, the kid tripping, because I just don't understand how you can't hear your mama.
Right.
And then they walking past us and acting like he don't see us. I'm like, okay. Like, for real, you just gonna walk past her? We standing in the middle of the parking lot, she crying
about to cry. She was like, she got some type of heart condition. If she get too anxious, like, I guess she'll like pass out or something like that. So she trying to catch her breath. I'm like, breathe, cause this just too much. I just came to get my burger and go. She probably 30 something, 40 something. Dad's tripping. Dad's tripping.